Welcome to my cooking channel. Let's cook with Momo. Curry powder broccoli omelette. Chopped broccoli. Crack eggs into bowl, seasoning and beat until frothy. Sauté broccoli with chopped garlic. Add water and cook until softened. Pour in egg liquid and cook until solidified. Curry powder broccoli omelette is done. It's delicious with curry powder aroma. Give it a try. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.